Guys, we are here and around 30 students are here, but no one will teach us.
No teacher
and
will come
teachers
here.
are absent in this college, and they call us for coming daily college. But why? We are coming. Why coming into the college? Why?
Shit, your English is so
Why?
broken, bro.
No,
How
no.
can you? How can you
I
go
have
on
one doubt. I have one doubt.
SSB
Why?
interview?
Why college management call us to come daily college, but
Be in the frame. Be in the frame.
but the teachers of college are not coming daily. One teacher,
Kasia ma'am,
Kalasia ma'am did not come from which
from
day?
around like 7 days.
From
she's-
7 days.
She's
She
not
did-
coming
She did not
in
come
the
in
class.
this college,
In the class.
and
Of course, not college.
and she gives me a assignment that you have not submit my assignment. But whom did I submit my assignment? Whom?
If not
I
her,
have
then
one time.
whom? You submit assignment to me. I submitted his assignment.
I have submitted.
I just
I have submitted. I
I
have
just-
submitted him to.
I just
clear 2
forgot
months.
where
Just 2
I
months. I have
placed his
submitted to you.
assignment.
Okay.
And now
I have
the teacher-
submitted. Wait. I have submitted him in previous 2 months. Previous 2 months, but he did not submit to the teacher and
As I-
written his own
as I
name
say-
and.
As I say, I just forget where this assignment is. I just
I
take
am not forget.
the assignment from him
You did
and just
fraud with
forget.
me. You did fraud with me, okay? I will complain with teacher to remove this computer. I will computer monitor
As a monitor, to remove me as a monitor.
मैंने कंप्यूटर बोल दिया
This is my channel.
Oh, this is your channel.
Yeah,
Okay, bro.
Of course.
Okay, bro.
I'm also
I'll
done
subscribe your channel.
7,804 subscribers.
remove
Okay,
this
okay.
monitor and
I don't
instead
have
of
any
this monitor,
subscribers
I will with
as
the
for
monitor,
now.
I will take the responsibility of college. I will sell this college. I will sold this college.
You are the fraud one who's trying to sold the college.
When I were a monitor,
No.
the
I
Gaplav
just-
is a common thing.
I
Gaplav
just
is a
say
common thing.
he's not making his assignment. I just take him from the half of assignment, and then I just forget where I placed the assignment, and now
It's not my mistake. It's your mistake. So don't put it on me.
तो ये पहली बार व्लॉगिंग कर रहे हैं तो इससे कोई गलती हो तो इन्हें माफ कर देना. ये बहुत शक्ल से बहुत मासूम दिखता है लेकिन बहुत ज़्यादा.
we are not
और ये
asking माफी.
This is an anti
We are not.
candidate.
माफ करो इसको.
he's going for an interview
as a
and
going for
sees
interview.
English, the half broken English.
भाई उसमें ऐसी भाई.
For that half broken English, how can he achieve?
They do not require a communicator.
हमारे आने
They
वाले
require
भविष्य के
a
लेफ्टिनेंट
basic English.
ऑफिसर ये.
If you are understanding my listen.
My password is Abhay Sony 810. Abhay 810, not Sony. Abhay 810.
They do not require a communicator.
They require a proper English.
Not proper English. This is a.
They
if I
require
say,
proper English.
It is a myth.
It's a myth? Not. It is not a myth.
It is a myth.
As I say, it's not a myth. I just
It is a myth or.
cause of me.
I will say you. This is a myth or propaganda run by repeaters or candidate who went from SSB.
You are not in the frame now. Not.
Who went from
They
the
place-
who went from the SSB. They think that they are out because of
Our teacher has
communication.
arrived.
But
You can
it's,
see
it
his
is
car.
not
Our
the.
teacher is arrived for
wait,
taking the lecture.
Wait. Firstly, I will say.
Not say. Just
It is because of
Make
the.
it quick. Teacher is arrived, bro.
It is because of the qualities that he have not and not shows his quality into the picture or story that he has, and in the narration he was fumbling. It was the main reason. Okay, and the second thing, if you are present your words in English and the person who is standing in front of you, if he understand your English, then you are done. They are not require a communicator. They require a basic English. If you are say like me, I am a perfect for ND, not for serious, because I am not a well communicator. But I put my words in English that a front man of me can understand it well.
Not that broken is English. His English is pretty well to communicate anywhere in the world. As I say, you can also see who's the one come in the frame. No one.
इनको भी लो चोट से ये ब्लॉग में
Is our blog, not
अमित जी इधर आइए
Amit.
अमित सर
Come for us,
सर
blog.
प्लीज say two words
Say two words.
like Jai Hind.
I am say only Hindi. I am in the medium chart.
You can say in any language. You can say in any language.
You
Come,
can
please
appreciate
say.
your English,
Okay.
your Hindi, your Sanskrit, any kind of words that you are saying.
बोलो जुमा केसरी.
आज मत
These are the words he only knows. बोलो जुबा केसरी.
आज विजय दिवस है ना.
आज विजय दिवस है.
हाँ.
Okay.
बट
So
किसी को
today-
पता नहीं होगा.
Today
टीचर्स
is
वही.
विजय दिवस.
मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ भाई.
Let's see
ICT वाली में वो नाम का है
the teacher of ICT. Rajni Jha.
You take a lot of time to remind the teacher of ICT.
There are a lot of teachers. I forget
But no
the names.
one come to teach us.
Teacher will come at the time. The time is not. The time is happened, but the teacher is not coming because of the inconvenience of the teacher shortage.
I see this cause. I see this
Many
cause
teachers are shortage.
till my joining in this college. But no one take a regular period or regular class in this college. Only 2 to 3 period on 2 to 3 class of 40 minutes are taken.
तेरा चश्मा जो तूने सेकंड ईयर में देखा था कॉल आया है।
चल.
चल क्या
चल,
अब अब तो तुम चल करेंगे
अरे जो मैं देखा वो कहीं मिलेगा ही नहीं.
तेरा मुंह यही था
तेरी कसम नहीं.
यही था वो
मैं खुद भूल गया कौन था.
मैं कह रहा हूँ सुनेगा कॉलेज वालों को सिर्फ एड्स पे याद रहेगा. एड्स पे.
सही बात है. बंद करते हैं ब्लॉग को फिलहाल में
ओके
और बाद में शुरुआत करेंगे
जय हिंद.
नए ब्लॉग की. जय हिंद साथियों.